Typing hello can trigger 5 API calls. Now let's understand how debouncing can prevent this and let's understand the logic. We are going to dry run it. So as we can see the code, it's a simple debounce function, or we can say a polyfill for debounce. And below you can also see how we have called it, like debounce search equals debounce, and we are passing the function and a delay that we want. So first, let's suppose after we have introduced debouncing, how it will work. So the debounce function will be called by using h, and let's suppose the user has not waited or not taken a pause of 500 millisecond after the first keystroke. Okay, so what will happen? The initial timer that is undefined will be cleared out first. We are going like step by step, and a new timer will be set. And let's say the timer value is 3, for example. Now let's say the user then types he. Now what will happen? The previous timer that is 3, it will get cleared out and a new timer will be set. Similarly, it will go on for hel. Now it will go for hell, and similarly the previous timer will get cleared out and a new timer will be set. Now let's say the user has typed hello completely and has taken a pause of 500 millisecond before the another keystroke. Now what will happen? This particular timeout will not be cleared out and we are going to get a output that is searching for hello, or let's say in your case if you are doing the API call. So this is how this entire process works for debouncing, and it helps in optimizing your unnecessary triggering of network calls or any other user action. So friends, if you like the video, follow for more. Thank you.